Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Godzilla from the Godzilla the Ride. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Godzilla from Godzilla the Ride, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down and then back. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to curve up for the eye. Next, I'm going to bring this line back and around for kind of like his eyebrow. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and we're going to go over here. We'll curl this down, and we'll draw a little line back here for the nose. We'll make this line come down, and we'll bring this down here for the mouth. Then we'll bring this line around here for the bottom, and we'll come down and up. We're going to bring this line around, make some like broken lines. Then right here, we're going to make this line down for the back of the mouth with a couple lines in there. Then we're going to make some sharp teeth here, and then some sharp teeth across the bottom. I'll make a line that's going to go down and up and down for the tongue. We'll make a line here for the other side of the mouth, and we'll just kind of connect it down there. We can draw another line here. Next, I'm going to make some small points that are just going to kind of come back here for the back of the head. And then a little line right here for the other part of the eye. I'm going to make some curved lines that are going to come right around here for the neck. And then some lines are just going to kind of go down and then up here to kind of shape out some areas. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down here. Then I'm going to make some kind of pointed lines. I'm going to curl this around for the shoulder. I'm going to bring this line out and then down here. Make a line that's going to curve around like this. We'll make one more right here. We'll make a curved line here. And we're going to make a line that's going to come down and angled up. And one's going to come over, and we're going to bring this down here. Make a curve here and a curve here. We'll curl this down. And we'll bring this one over. Bring this into here with a couple little lines, and we're going to curl this around. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and in. We're going to come up and down here and around. And I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to bring this line down. And then for his other arm, I'm going to bring this line out. We're going to make a sharp claw right here. I want to make a line that's going to curve around for the thumb. We're going to make a line that's going to come out here, and then one that's going to come down here. Bring this line back to here. And then we'll go ahead and we'll add claws onto all of the fingers here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And we're going to kind of curve it in here. We're going to bring this line down for the leg. Now I'm going to make the other leg start out here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make this line kind of come down for the tail, and I'm going to bring this around. And then we're going to bring this back, and we're going to end it right about here. Now, let's go ahead and start working on all of his spikes. So I'm going to make some kind of like small pointed spikes right along the back here first. Then we're going to start making these bigger ones. So we're going to start making them that kind of go angled out one way, and then they're going to angle out the other way. Do that same thing, kind of angle them out different directions. We'll make some big ones right here too. I'll make a couple little smaller ones here. Make a couple more right around here. And then we're going to make some big ones kind of going right down the tail. We'll do that same thing, make them go different directions. And we're just going to make these come all the way down the tail. I'm going to kind of fill in this area with some more spikes. I'll make a couple more little points here. Next, starting here, we're going to bring this down. Make a line that's going to come out for a claw. We'll make another one here. I'll bring this over and up. We'll make one more here, and then we'll draw a couple little claw shapes here. Make a couple more little spikes around here. Just to kind of fill in some different little areas. Then we'll make a couple little lines here just to kind of shape out where that other foot would be. Next, I'm going to come in and kind of add some details. We're going to bring some lines up here. We're going to make some little broken lines around the mouth. We're going to make some lines kind of coming down the front of the nose. Or make some lines kind of curve here. Little broken line here, and we're going to kind of shape out some little broken lines here, just kind of add some detail. We're going to make some little broken lines, just kind of come right around here. And some little lines right along here too. We're going to make some different lines going on one side and then the other side of the chest. And we're going to make some more lines kind of coming down and around here. And we're just going to kind of do that same thing all around here. Next on the tail, let's make some long lines coming across here. And then we're going to make these big kind of lines all along here as well. We're going to put some more lines kind of coming across here too. And there you go, there is your drawing of Godzilla from Godzilla the Ride. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.